Once upon a time, in a quaint little town, there lived a young girl named Sarah. She possessed an indomitable spirit that burned bright within her, illuminating the lives of those around her. Her childhood was like a blooming garden, filled with laughter, dreams, and endless possibilities. As Sarah grew older, life's trials and tribulations began to cast their dark shadows upon her path. Tragedy struck when a devastating fire engulfed her family's home, leaving them with nothing but ashes and despair. But amidst the ruins, Sarah's unyielding spirit started to emerge. Determined to rise from the ashes, Sarah resolved to rebuild her shattered life. She faced numerous obstacles, struggling to find shelter, food, and a sense of stability. But with every setback, she found a glimmer of hope that fueled her determination to create a better future. Sarah embarked on a journey of self-discovery, seeking solace in her passion for art. With a paintbrush in hand, she transformed her pain into breathtaking works of art, each stroke a testament to her resilience and ability to overcome adversity. Her art became a beacon of light, shining through the darkness and inspiring others to find their own strength. Word of Sarah's incredible story and her awe-inspiring art spread like wildfire, capturing the attention of the world. Her paintings were exhibited in galleries, and people from all walks of life were moved by the raw emotion and beauty expressed on the canvas. Sarah's story became a symbol of triumph over tragedy, igniting a spark of hope in the hearts of those who had faced their own struggles. As Sarah stood before a massive crowd at her first solo exhibition, she shared her powerful message. Sarah, we are all faced with challenges that seem insurmountable, moments when we feel our light fading away. But remember, within each of us lies an unbreakable spirit. It is in the depths of our darkest moments that we discover our true strength and resilience. Embrace your scars, for they are a testament to your journey. Rise from the ashes, let your spirit soar, and become a beacon of light for others. The audience erupted in thunderous applause, deeply moved by Sarah's words and her ability to transform her pain into a source of inspiration. From that moment on, Sarah's story continued to touch countless lives, reminding people that even in the face of adversity, they too could rise and become a force of empowerment. In the end, Sarah's journey served as a powerful reminder that our spirit is unbreakable, and through resilience and determination, we can transform the darkest moments into our greatest triumphs. So, let us embrace our own inner strength and kindle the flames of empowerment within us, for the world awaits our unwavering spirit.